Everyone, it's Kenji, and this is my wok. I bought this wok at a Target probably in, I don't know, 1999 or 2000 or so, about 20 years ago, maybe a little longer. The brand, I don't know what the brand was. I think it was called Typhoon or something. It cost about 20 bucks. And for the past 20 years, this has been the pan that I've used more than any other pan in my kitchen. Woks are extraordinarily versatile. And if you're going to own just a single pan, I would recommend it be a wok. I'm telling you about this pan because the project I've been working on for the last 5 years, which is a cookbook called The Wok, Recipes and Techniques, or Techniques and Recipes, I can't remember. The project I've been working on for the last 5 years is available now for pre-order. This is the first past edit of it, so this is basically like all the pages very roughly designed and printed out, and this is what I get to look at right now and spend the next couple weeks reviewing so that it can be made into a better book. But anyhow, the book is going to be out in March of 2022. So if you're watching this before March of 2022, you can pre-order. I'll put the link down below. You can pre-order it now. If you're watching it after March of 2022, then you can just order it because the book will be out. So the book, it started out as a chapter of my book, of my other book called The Food Lab, or one of my other books. My book called The Food Lab, which was it came out 6 years ago. You might have read it, you might not have. If you haven't, check it out. You might like it. A lot of people liked it. It started out as a chapter for the follow-up book, which was going to have just one chapter on cooking in a wok. And I started writing it, and it got from 100 pages up to 400 pages or so. And so I called my editor and I said, Melanie, how about we just make a whole book about cooking in a wok instead? Because it's useful. It's the pan I use most. It's the most sort of real everyday pan that I use, the one that I rely on if I want to make a quick meal, or other things as well. And so she thought that was a great idea. And so that's what we did. I ended up writing 1,200 pages on cooking in a wok instead of 100, and so that's now being edited down into a book that's it's going to be around 700 pages long, full color photos throughout, so lots of process shots, lots of sort of science stuff, comparisons of things cooked in different ways, step-by-step instructions, very similar, I'd say, in style and tone to my first book, so really very much a sort of techniques first book. It'll have several hundred recipes in it, over 1,000 photos, 700 pages. Yeah, so lots about the science of sort of wok cooking and how you get wok flavor at home. It's aimed squarely at home cooks, so people with regular ranges, or even if you have an electric range or an induction range, pretty much all these recipes are going to work for you. So no special tools needed other than a wok. Yeah, it's available for pre-order now. Check out the link. I will leave a link somewhere. If this is on YouTube, it'll be a link in the description. If this is on Instagram, it'll be, I don't know, a swipey thing or something. Check out my profile. KenjiLópez-Alt.com, KenjiLópez-Alt.com. That's where you can find more information about where to buy it and where to pre-order it. And yeah, I hope you like it. All right. I'll see you later, guys, gals, non-binary pals. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.